Negotiations can be tricky, but with the right techniques, you can maintain value while meeting your customers' needs. Here's how ChatGPT can coach you to sharpen your skills. Start by using advanced voice mode to role-play a negotiation. ChatGPT plays the customer, saying, "Can you match the price from another dealership?" Now, practice responding with value-driven arguments. After the role-play, ask ChatGPT for feedback. Use a prompt like, "How was my tone and word choice? Did my response emphasize value effectively? What can I improve to be more persuasive?" Bonus tip, request a tailored strategy for hesitant buyers. You can use a prompt like, "ChatGPT, can you suggest negotiation techniques for customers who are unsure about committing? Focus on building trust and addressing specific concerns." With ChatGPT's coaching, you'll refine your negotiation skills and confidently handle any customer conversation.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars. With a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.